All right then, picking up where we left off. Basic color theory, mixing a little warm into the cool, a cool into the warm, which is what I have over here. Now I have gone ahead and added this stronger blue. So what I have now is the first one is going to be ultramarine. This is the phthalo blue that you can see the green in it, which is really a better complement to the red-orange. And then this here is the combination where I have ultramarine with phthalo blue, and that's the color I get. You see how this is a bit darker blue. It's kind of a true blue. This one is a little towards green, and this one is in between. So I went ahead and mixed that. I want to show you how I did it. Here then that's the pure blues without dulling it. So if I bring this down in here, watch what happens. I already have a little bit of red down on my palette. Look how dramatically darker that gets because I've added a tiny bit of warmth. Adding complementary colors does darken, but we call it dulling. It diminishes the brightness or the intensity. We also refer to it as dulling the color that's right out of the tube. Almost out of the tube is often it's the brightest and the strongest a color can be in a tube of paint. And now I'm creating a little bit more warm into the blue, and I need to keep it more green if I want to move towards the grayish color, because if I keep more of towards the true blue, I'm going to get a violet, right? So exact opposite the color wheel, from red-orange to blue-green, I should get a gray, not a violet. So that tells me I need more of a greenish blue, which is going to be this phthalo. See how much grayer I can get that. It's a little bit more blue. Well, I have successfully mixed all the colors that I will need for this painting. Watercolor paintings differ from acrylic. Watercolor paintings differ from acrylic and oil in that we start with the light values, the light colors, move into the medium, and then the dark, because medium value covers up light and dark covers up the medium. It's hard to put light on top of medium or dark in watercolor because, why? They are transparent. That's right. So in this painting, I would begin with some of these very subtle gray shadows, and then maybe move into here. I'm going to do my background last. I would probably want to start with my yellows, then my grays, then my reds, then my darker grays. So this gray can come up around the edge of that and make that highlight pop out right here. So I would do light, medium, medium, dark, and dark in that order.